In this chapter, we discuss that amines act like bases, and so we're going to see reactions of them behaving like bases. The first reaction is of an amine being placed in water, and the amine is going to behave like a base. And so you should remember that bases will accept protons or hydrogens, which will lead this nitrogen to become an H3, and it will take on a positive charge. So one of the hydrogens from the water will be pulled away, and the water will behave like an acid. And we are going to then add that hydrogen onto the nitrogen. This will give us a positive charge on this nitrogen, and we will get OH minus. Now the OH minus came from the water. Okay, and so this is what forms when water loses a hydrogen. And so that's what happens when an amine gets placed in water. Now we give you a situation where we have a strong acid and the amine. And so what we're going to see here is, again, base will always accept a hydrogen, and an acid wants to give away or donate the hydrogen. So one more time, we see the hydrogen being added to the nitrogen. When nitrogen gets those 4 bonds, it becomes positive, and so we end up getting Cl minus. Now the Cl minus was coming from that HCl. It gave away its hydrogen to the nitrogen to let the nitrogen become positive. Okay, and so in these situations, the amine will always do these types of reactions where they form these positive charges. Just like with the carboxylic acids, this can lead us to be able to separate amines from other products by playing around with solubilities. When that amine forms the positive charge, it becomes very soluble in water, and if the hydrocarbon chain is long enough, it will become insoluble in water when it loses its positive charge.